This is going to be the floor, and this is the D ring for lifting it up.
Okay.
I'll bring the other one, put it in. See this this plate here?
Yep.
That goes underneath to support it. Eh?
Okay.
And say he tips the seat ahead, he can lift this. He can get at differential, check the oil.
Now, are you going to just leave this?
No. I got a chunk of iron goes in here,
okay,
and there, and a piece of plywood that fits underneath here,
okay,
and that supports this end. And then we'll put the seats in. And if he's not high enough, we'll put a spacer under the seat to get him a little more clearance.
Okay. So February 10th, 403 subscribers. Dad still wants you to like, comment, and subscribe. He's asked me literally every day, any comments, any comments, any comments. I know you guys might be commenting on the Facebook post, but if you can log in, all you need is an email to YouTube and subscribe there and comment there because he wants to find out. Now, we thought, or I thought, that this was probably rolling to a finish. It is. It's we just weren't ready this weekend for the customer, but Dad actually had a lot of little projects that needed to be done, and that's just equaled into an extra week's worth of work. All the major work is done, and so
everything is put together so you can unbolt it and take it apart, right from one end to the other. Nothing welded, solid that you have to cut.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to show you on the other side what we're eliminating by having this great
option.
Big chunk of iron in there.
Yeah.
That if you're over 40, it'll kill you, eh?
Yeah.
Then you wreck the door, knock a window out, hit the headliner. So eliminate that thing.
And just better for fuel consumption as well. You're taking out probably an extra 100 pounds or more of weight that you don't need.
What I might do is just cut this off.
Yeah.
And use that on that end, okay, because then here you can regulate the heat, eh?
Yeah. That would make sense.
So I might cut this right off. Let's see how.
So the other thing Dad has done is he's put oil in the engine, transmission.
Everything is full.
We got some gas in here so we can fire it up. All the wiring is done. Dad has adjusted all the linkages for the gas pedal and the brake. Can't see it right now because the board's in there, but he even installed for the customer's Garmin. He's got like the light switch up there to fix yet.
Yeah, well,
this one and that one.
Well, I think they work. I'll try them right away.
Okay, but what else? He put the angle iron in there. Really, we spent about 2-3 days just trying to get the gas pedal and the brake pedal working correctly. Okay, that one works, yeah.
Now, this one, if the wiring is good, it just needs a bulb. Eh?
Okay.
I don't know for sure. I didn't fool around with this. I think the bulb was good. I think there's something else.
Okay, so what's left to be done besides the lights and like what you showed us there earlier? Where
I just this here and put the seats in.
Right. The seats.
And then I'll start it up and I'll let it run for a while and then we'll test it. I'm going to get a bulb and see.
Do we need the customer's skis, or can we test run with just the wheels on?
No, we don't need the skis for test running.
Okay, so we're gonna
I'll be back in a minute.
hopefully by next weekend he can pick it up. That's the goal.
I mean, sure like the tin foil.
Oh,
If they had a hole, they put tin foil over it.
okay. Are you
All
finding
I'm gonna
lots of tin foil everywhere?
suggest that anybody that's celebrating the Julian calendar shouldn't be working on this stuff.
Okay. Is that tip of the day? If you're-
That's pretty well the tip of the day for some of these owners.
Okay.
Nope.
No.
We're gonna have to spring and purchase a light.
Okay. So after this video, hopefully our next video is actually test running,
Test run.
because I know this probably some of you guys are sick and tired of just getting these update ones, and you want to see this in action. We want to see it in action. That's going to do 3 test runs minimum, just to make sure everything is running smooth. And so then the customers are going to come here and do the test run as well. And so we don't want this leaving here without.
Well, if he's got a problem, he's too far away.